Okay, so what you guys will be working on today is 1, finish up the second drafts. Just bring up your t-shirt designs that you did last week, and then just critique each other's work, give suggestions about how they might improve, and then go ahead and make the changes. This probably won't take all class period for you guys, so I've also put up a work order, and what this is basically it's just a small snippet of what you might run into in the freelancing track. So this is actually based on a work order that I've done for a client. Now you can receive help on, say you don't know how to do something in Illustrator, but aside from that you have to work out everything you can from this email. So you'll do that work order, and then what you'll do is you'll move on to the mobile wallpapers. Now I have dimensions listed on here, but if you want to tweak these so that way it fits your personal devices better, that's fine. I can be a little flexible on these, but what you're going to need is you're going to need a blended object and a custom pattern. Now you guys have done a blended object once before. You just set up 2 objects, you grab your blend tool, click one, click the other, and then you can double click on the tool for more options. Then if you want to throw a curve into there, if you grab your white arrow, you'll see there's a path there. You should just be able to edit that like you would any other line. Just, there we go. So there's the review on the blended object. Now the way that you'd make a custom pattern is, say you've got something set up like this and you want to turn it into a pattern. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Object, Pattern, Make. And I'll open up into this menu, and you've got a whole bunch of different options you can pick from here. You kind of set up how it lays. You can set up your spacing. Then you can change how they overlap. Change the sample size. You just name it up here. And once you're done, you just hit done. There we go. And you won't notice anything right ahead, but if you were to make a shape, you can then go over into your swatches menu, and it should be, there you go, should be the very last one you make. And then say you've made your designs, but you're not quite liking how it's being laid out. What you can do is, with that pattern selected, there should be next to the folder to the left of it, there should be a button that says Edit Pattern. If you hit that, you can edit your shape back in this menu. You can even change substantial things here. Then if you hit done, it will change your pattern. So then what you're going to do is, incorporating those 2 tools, you are going to make wallpapers. Now, You can either do 2 separate, completely different wallpapers, or you can do something like these where they're related, like this would be the lock screen, this is the home screen, something like that. This just kind of exercise your creative skills and give you guys something that you can actually use outside of class on your own devices.